bouncy castle area will bring the most laughs to your water park. So much springy fun. Would you rather discover a secret cave at your water park? Which one sounds most mysterious? Which special effects show would you love to see light up your water park nights? Imagine your dream cloud castle in the water park. Which one sounds the most fun? What's your pick for the most magical enchanted forest falls in your water park? Pick one, an amazing underwater tunnel for your water park. Which one will you explore? Which delicious themed restaurant would you love to eat at in your water park? Which water balloon fight zone sounds like the most epic fun for your water park? Pick one of these incredible floaties for a truly magical water park experience. Which one is yours? Which would you choose for ultimate relaxation after a big day of water fun? What would you pick? Which amazing bubble machine would you choose to fill your water park with fun bubbles? Which jungle river expedition will you embark on at your water park? So adventurous. What's your pick for the most amazing fountain display at your water park? Let us know in the comments. After all the fun, which gift shop will you visit for the best souvenirs? Time to decide. Which fantastic splash pad is perfect for a watery romp? Time to decide. Which mystery zone will bring the most excitement to your water park? Unbelievable! The bright emotion playground transformed into a giant bouncy castle of pure happiness. Which super speed booster would you add to your water park slides for ultimate thrill? Pick one, the coziest lazy river for ultimate relaxation. Which one calls to you? Which would you choose for your water park's awesome animal habitat zone? Which beautiful mermaid lagoon would you love to explore at your water park? Ready for thrills? Which incredible water coaster will you brave first? Which thrilling volcano ride will you dare to conquer at your water park? So exciting! Pick your mystery character parade! Which awesome surprise will parade through your water park? Wow! The sing-along spectacle was a parade where everyone's favorite characters appeared and sang a giant musical. Would you rather visit a dinosaur island in your water park? Which one sounds wildest? Which fantastic foam party pit will you jump into first? So much bubbly joy! Would you pick Mario's Adventure Pool, Peppa's Muddy Fun, or Buzz Lightyear's Mystery Surprise? Whoa! The Cosmic Starry Pool had a real shooting star that made you float! Which amazing light show would you rather have at your water park? So mesmerizing! Which awesome super slide would you rather zoom down first? Get ready for a splash! decide. Which exciting treasure hunt game will you play at your water park? Would you rather ride the waves at your water park? Which surfing simulator is calling your name? Which music system will set the perfect vibe for your water park? Pick your ultimate sound. Time to pick your water park's amazing grand entrance. Which one welcomes you to fun? What's your pick for the most enchanting magic potion shop at your water park? What's your pick for the most enchanting rainbow bridge in your water park? Your water park needs a mascot! Which beloved character would you choose to greet everyone? Pick one. The coolest floating snack bar for your water park. Which one will keep you fueled? Which would you choose? Paddington's Sweet Ball Pit, Pooh's Honey Pit, or Stitch's Mystery Surprise? Holy guacamole! Stitch's Mystery Surprise was a glow-in-the-dark ball pit with secret tunnels. Which pirate ship will you command for an epic water park adventure? Would you pick Peppa's Bouncy Mud Zone, Buzz's Zero Gravity Fun, or Hello Kitty's Mystery Surprise? Amazing! Hello Kitty's Mystery Surprise was a giant bubble that let you float all over the park. Which locker room would you choose to get ready for your water park adventure? Which Water Blaster arena promises the most epic water fight? Pick your battleground. Which delicious snack stand would you add to your water park? So many yummy choices. Which giant tipping bucket will soak you the most at your water park? So much fun! Time to decide. Which character meet and greet zone sounds like the most fun? Time to decide. Which super cool slushy station will refresh you at your water park? Which gem mining stream would you explore for hidden treasures at your water park? Which cozy relaxation cabana would you choose to kick back and relax in? Time to pick your space station dive. Which one takes you to the stars and back? Which sweet Candyland zone would you add to your water park for ultimate sugar fun? Which awesome ice cream stand would you choose to cool down at your water park?